So this is what you might call second generation or next feature level up machine. These will typically come again in standard capacities and spins and things like that. But the thing I want to point out here is this bit, which is the self-dosing system. One of the ways you can save yourself money and save yourself time is have the machine put the detergent in the wash for you. Also, one of the dearest parts of running a modern washing machine isn't water or electricity, it's detergent. And what about if you could get a really good detergent, one that's probably better than supermarkets? It doses itself, so it will never have too much. So, you know, it's not going to pump it all out and fill up all the rivers with detergent. And it's never going to have too little, so it's going to wash properly every time. That's what self-dosing does. Miele's self-dosing system is a two-part system, the 1 and the 2. The 1 is what you might call your typical detergent, whereas the second part of the equation, you basically tell the machine you'd like to use self-dosing, and then you tell it how dirty the load is going to be, and it will adjust the amount of the clearest part 2 of the detergent to deal with that particular stain. So you might get more oxidizing bleaches, you might get more fluorescers and things like that, whatever they're using in the detergent to make sure stubborn stains are removed and whites are encouraged. So the sheer convenience is a nice thing. There's no real downsides to it because you can still dose your machine in any normal way. If you want to put a pod in, if you want to put powder in, if you want to put a ball in the machine, you can still do it just the same. TwinDos is just an extremely good, extremely effective, handy solution if you need it.